tutorial, we're going to see how to remove or replace any video background using Canva, that too by one click. So let's begin. I'm on my Canva home screen, so I will take this video option and I will go to videos. I am taking 16:9 ratio, which is basically YouTube long form video ratio. You can go for any ratio as you like. Now I will upload a couple of videos here with different colored background so that I can show that by a click you don't at all need any green background. You can basically remove any background whatsoever. So let me take first the green background video. This is my video. Now I will keep it selected and go to video editing at the top left hand side corner. Then I will get this background remover option and adjustment option. First, I will go for background remover. Just click here. You don't have to pick and boom, your background is removed. Only thing is that if you want to adjust it, you can crop this both sides and drag it to the maximum possible level and then you can stretch it back. But make sure your video is not occupying the entire canvas. Otherwise, your video will become the background and you won't be able to place or replace any other background with it. Now, I will go back to this elements option and I can take any video background or static background whatsoever. Let me take this background of beautiful Savannah and I will right click and set this video as background. Now, let us play and see how is it looking. So this is how immediately it has replaced the background. Now I will show you another magic. Now this video is having this background, right? So this is having different color at the background. So let us check if this background can also be removed by a click. Select this background and go to edit video and background remover. Make sure, look, boom, it has also removed the background which we have just taken. So that gives you a kind of feel whether you are doing an outdoor shoot or indoor shoot, whether at the backdrop you are having a library or a field or a station, does not matter. Canva can replace it with a beautiful scene of a Switzerland event. So now our life is much easier. Let us try with some other video. So I have deleted it. Let me try with this red beautiful brick red background. So go for this background remover and boom, in a blink your background got removed. So same way you can replace the background with any other background, video or static background. Let me show you that as well. It's just a matter of a click. You don't have to adjust chroma key or anything. It is absolutely beginner friendly and more or less perfect. So let me get some other videos. So let me check this one. This is having multiple color. Right click, set the video as background, and now let me check how is it looking. It's beautiful, isn't it? And even if I want to change this background, I'll have to select the background and go to video editing and background remover. You see, this will remove the background seamlessly. See, how is it removing and deleting? This is possible in Canva just because Canva works in layers. So your one video is at the front layer and they will simply remove the background layer. That's why it is possible for Canva to do it on a click. So it is a very advanced algorithm. That's the reason it can make our graphic designers and video editors life so easy. So you can see here 90% is done. It might take a while according to the complexity of the background. As this background is having very complex design and color combinations, it is taking a while to remove. And boom, the background is also removed. So no matter how complex your background is, it will be removed in a blink. So use it. Let me know in the comment section how it worked. If you found any difficulty, do let me know. I'll be happy to help you. Today this much. I hope you enjoyed this video and will try it out at your end. Thank you so much for being with me. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would urge you to go to the subscription button below and click the bell notification next to it. So today this much. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe, Stay legendary.